The New Zealand dollar setting up for a major breakout. The NZD/USD pair has just seen a dramatic surge, and traders are watching closely to see what happens next. Let's break down the action. The overwhelming sentiment right now is bullish. We've just witnessed a powerful upward move where the price charged through a critical resistance level at approximately 0.5980. This was a significant barrier, and breaking it has energized buyers. Looking at the charts, the bullish case is strong. After finding solid ground near the 0.595 support zone, the pair launched higher. Now, many traders are looking for this momentum to continue. The next potential targets for buyers appear to be in the 0.6020 to 0.630 range. Some optimistic forecasts even see a potential climb towards 0.6060. The price is currently battling a key long-term moving average on the 4-hour chart, and a decisive close above it would add even more fuel to the fire. However, it's not a one-sided story. Every strong rally invites sellers who believe the move is overdone. Some analysts are calling for a reversal from these levels. They see the current price around 0.6 as a prime selling opportunity, especially with short-term indicators showing overbought conditions. For the bears, a failure to hold these gains could open the door for a slide back down, with potential targets at 0.5930 or even lower towards 0.5880. So, to summarize the key takeaways. First, the sentiment has turned strongly positive following a decisive breakout above the 0.5980 resistance level. Second, the key battleground is right now, around the 0.60 psychological level. This is where the bulls need to prove they can maintain control. And third, while the momentum is clearly up, the risk of a pullback is real, as sellers are likely to defend this area. In conclusion, the bulls currently have the advantage after that powerful rally, but the real test is whether they can sustain the pressure above 0.6. The price action here will be critical and could very well dictate the pair's direction for the coming days. Thanks for watching.